Okay, this is the ladies group, senior most group that learns on Sundays, and they are going to also sing three songs. They are, of course, concert level songs, but deeper and heavier songs. So you get a different flavor. The previous group sang what you might call lighter, not light as in light music, but lighter ragas, easier to appreciate, faster raga, brisk presentations. Whereas they are going to present more deeper, heavier presentations, because that's also something very important to learn as you go along. Otherwise, if you just sing all brisk songs, also it gets boring. So you want to have variations in speed and feeling and depth and all that. So from your left, we have Nishita, Rama, Kalpana, Pratibha, Mallika, and Gayatri, and Arundhati. And in Tamil Nadu, when we have festivals at Mariamman temple, people wear yellow saris. You'll see a lot of people with yellow saris. So we are also celebrating some version of Mariamman festival today. So. And I see, in fact, even in the previous groups, there were quite a bit of yellow today. So, good choice. So, three songs they will sing. The first one is by Syama Sastri, one of the, Tyagaraja. If you see the picture in the shrine at the bottom, top is Saraswati, and then bottom is Muthuswami Dikshitar on the left, Tyagaraja in the middle, and Syama Sastri on the right. We already heard Saint Tyagaraja's Sadinchane, Pancharatna. And so now, we also heard a short song of Muthuswami Dikshitar earlier. So they will sing a great composition of Syama Sastri, followed by another very deep composition of Muthuswami Dikshitar, one of what are called the Navagraha Kirtanas. And he has composed songs on all the Navagrahas, 9 Navagrahas. And so they will sing the opening song of that sequence on the Surya Murti, and then end with the Purandaradas song in a lighter devotional tune, and which will have a five count cycle to show. So, ladies, go ahead.
Shri Raja Rajeshwari, Pahi Mam Shri Raja Rajeshwari, Amba 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 Simhasanarude Devate Drudavate Yehi Ananda Hridaye Pahi Mam Shri Raja Rajeshwari, Amba Simhasanarude Devate Drudavate Yehi Ananda Hridaye Pahi Mam Shri Raja Rajeshwari, Amba. Kamitartha Paladayike, Kamitartha Paladayike, Ambike Kamitartha Paladayike. ಫಲದಾಯಿಕೆ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಕೆ ಕಾಮಿತಾರ್ಥ ಫಲದಾಯಿಕೆ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಕೆ ಕಾಮಿತಾರ್ಥ ಫಲದಾಯಿಕೆ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಕೆ ಕಾಮಿತಾರ್ಥ ಫಲದಾಯಿಕೆ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಕೆ ಕಾಮಕೋಟಿ ಪೀಠಗತೆ ಕಾಮಿತಾರ್ಥ ಫಲದಾಯಿಕೆ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಕೆ ಕಾಮಕೋಟಿ ಪೀಠಗತೆ ಕಾಳಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಜ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಾರೂಢೆ ದೇವತೆ ದೃಢವತೆ ಹೇಗಿ ಆನಂದ ಹೃದಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಜ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜನನಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜನನಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜನನಿ ಭವಾನಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜನನಿ ಭವಾನಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜನನಿ ಭವಾನಿ ಮಾನಿತ ಗುಣಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಿರಂಜನಿ ನಿಖಿಲ ಪಾಪ ಶಮನಿ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾನವ ಮುನಿಗಣ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜನನಿ ಭವಾನಿ ಮಾನಿತ ಗುಣಶಾಲಿನಿ ನಿರಂಜನಿ ನಿಖಿಲ ಪಾಪ ಶಮನಿ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಜ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಾರೂಢೆ ದೇವತೆ ದೃಢವತೆ ಹೇಗಿ ಆನಂದ ಹೃದಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಜ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸಾರಸಪದ ಯುಗಳೆ ಸಾರಸಪದ ಯುಗಳೆ ಸಾರಸಪದ ಯುಗಳೆ ಸ್ವರಜತಿ ಕಲ್ಪಿತ ಸಂಗೀತ ರಸಿಕೆ ನಟ ಪ್ರಿಯೆ ಬಾಲೆ ಸುರಭಿ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲೆ ಸಾರಸಪದ ಯುಗಳೆ ಸ್ವರಜತಿ ಕಲ್ಪಿತ ಸಂಗೀತ ರಸಿಕೆ ನಟ ಪ್ರಿಯೆ ಬಾಲೆ ಸುರಭಿ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮಾಲೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಸಾಮಗಾನ ಸಂಮೋಹಿತ ಕರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸುಲಯ ಕರಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಪಾಹಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಸಾಮಗಾನ ಸಂಮೋಹಿತ ಕರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸುಲಯ ಕರಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಜ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಾರೂಢೆ ದೇವತೆ ದೃಢವ್ರತೆ ಹೇಗಿ ಆನಂದ ಹೃದಯ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಜ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂಬಾ ಸುಂದರ ಛಾಯಾ सूते सुन्दर छायाधीपते सूर्यभूते नमो सूते सुन्दर छायाधीपते ಮಂತ್ರಾತ್ಮನೆ ಸೌವರ್ಣ ಸ್ವರೂಪಾತ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಾರತೀಶ ಹರಿಹರಾತ್ಮನೆ ಭೂತಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾತ್ಮನೆ ಸೌರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಾಣ ಮಂತ್ರಾತ್ಮನೆ ಸೌವರ್ಣ ಸ್ವರೂಪಾತ್ಮನೆ ಭಾರತೀಶ ಹರಿಹರಾತ್ಮನೆ ಭೂತಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾತ್ಮನೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮೂರ್ತೆ ನಮೋ ಸುತೆ ಸುಂದರ ಛಾಯಾಧಿಪತೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮೂರ್ತೆ ನಮೋ ಸುತೆ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಹರಿಯೇ ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲಿದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲಿದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಂಬ ನರಕದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ನಾನನ್ನದು ಎಂಬ ನರಕದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಲ್ಲೋ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಲ್ಲೋ ನಂಬಿದ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನೇ ಗತಿಯಲ್ಲೋ ನಂಬಿದ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನೋದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಿಯೇ ಹರಿಯೇ ಹರಿಯೇ
So, this type of deep singing requires some also training for on the part of the audience to enjoy these things. Once you get into that, then you realize the depth, because it is like meditation. You get into it, and the Surya Murti Mitra Bhano. See, if you get into that, it's really takes you in. And as my students will tell you, singing slow is much harder than singing fast. Right? Singing slow is much, much harder. You have to hold your voice, you have to have great control on the voice and the thalam. And that Surya Murti was in a 14 count cycle. So they thalam also, they have to keep track of it and sing it in with that such depth and all that. So beautiful job, ladies. That these ladies are training this next year Tyagaraja Aradhana. That's why we had them learn that Sadhinchane Pancharatna song. Next year in February, Tyagaraja Aradhana will be the 25th Tyagaraja Aradhana in our temple. So we are going to. So we are planning a grand celebration. So we are, of course, Navagraha, I mean, the Pancharatnas, all these ladies have learned, and now the next group is learning. We will have a grand presentation of that next year. But these ladies are also going to, working towards learning all the 9 Navagraha songs and presenting that at the next Tyagaraja Aradhana. So there's a very interesting story connected with the Navagraha Kirtanas. This of course were composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar. One of his disciples, his name was Thambiyappan, he had a severe stomach ache and tried various kinds of medicines, and there was no cure at all. And then Muthuswami Dikshitar, he was also not only a great musician but also well versed in so many different things, especially deep religious worship, and was also a great astrologer. So he asked Thambiyappan to bring his horoscope, and he looked at it and he says, you have the problem with the Guru Dasha. So for Brihaspati, so therefore he composed a song on Brihaspati, which is of course on the Thursday, corresponds to Thursday of the week. So then Thambiyappan learned and sang that song and got his disease cured. And so then he requested Muthuswami Dikshitar, saying, our other people may be affected by the other Navagrahas, so why don't you compose all of them? So that's how the Navagraha Kritis came into being. And so if you enjoyed this, come and listen to them present all 9 songs during the Tyagaraja Aradhana. As I said, it was a 14 count, and then the final one, of course, 5 count cycles, tak, kit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very suitable, especially for devotional songs, and that's a beautiful composition of Saint Purandaradasa. But actually, this is my soapbox. The lyrics are by Saint Purandaradasa. The tune was actually composed by one of our modern musicians, Sri T.K. Govindrao. He was the one who composed the tune for that song. So that's also something to learn. So if when we learn these things, we learn not only just the singing, but also all the stories and then the traditions and then the lineage of all the various musicians and the composers and all that. So I am satisfied. That's all that matters. So anyway, so good job by all the students. Excellent performance. Give all the students a big hand.